direction you're moving to. I'm also covering the success of Dev. What's the dark side of Dev?
Oh, I think you're probably the first person at least in this platform, who has asked me this question. My dark side, and I know myself so well that I can actually tell you what my dark side is. My dark side is I actually want to prove to people who do not believe in me that I can do it, and I want them to regret that why did we not believe in Dev at the beginning, and now where he's reached. So proving my own self that what I'm doing makes sense and I can make money and thrive doing what I love doing, proving them wrong is my dark side. Now I know it is not the right thing.
Okay, to let your naysayers who have always not believed in you to really see you from the other side and envy or even feel that really he could get there. It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, I love that dark side. That's completely okay, Dave.
So and also another part, like somebody doesn't work with me and misses out the opportunity that I give, it makes me feel happy. You know what? I said, great, you do not invest. Now you'll regret later after a few years, because when you will see, either you'll pay me more money or you will not achieve the result that you're achieving. Okay, now it's not that I don't want them to. It is my driver, because I so much believe in what I do. And I share one example, one real story with you, and I think you will love it. I was attending one of the coaches' workshop, physical workshop, and it was about 2 years ago when I was just getting started in my journey as a passionpreneur. And I had just built my first batch, and I was trying and testing a lot of things in my first passionpreneur batch. And I was going there to, I want to learn and see. This guy was so arrogant from the stage. He asked me a few questions, trying to put me down, and everybody, 100 people are seeing that he's just intentionally putting me down because he feels that I'm there to take away and I'm like a threat, which I was not. I was there to just appreciate, and I stood up to say good things about him. But he started questioning me, what you do, how you do, and he started poking hole in what I do, and I'm not doing what I'm not doing right, and you're loser, kind of that, arrogance or competitive vibe I got. And I was like shocked, why is he doing this? And then he said something, so how much do you charge? And moment I start giving answer, here's another question, trying to corner you typically. And it reached a point, then he said, how much do you charge? I said, I charge so and so, like, $2,000 at that time I used to charge for my mentees mentorship program, which again has grown, and I've increased that. But he said, haha, okay. And you think that your mentees will become successful by making them what you are? You're trying to make them exactly like you? We'll see. That was like a dagger in my chest, my heart. I said, you know what? I'm going to show you. And today, fortunately, I've got more success stories than him, and I've got a bigger brand than him, and I have more, people talking great things about me versus people just, talking negative about him. Not that I want him to go down. He also doing some good things, but that is a dark side of me. I want to show people that a person with passion, with the heart of impacting lives, can do more in such a short period of time. So that's my dark story.
I think this reminds me of a very great video I saw of Patrick David, and he says this, I told you you can't do it.
Yeah.
If you have seen that video, he has that nightmare video that he shared, and in the nightmare he got people to tell him, I told you you can't do it. And that's the exact thing that you're saying.
Yeah.